No vlog for today, and I doubt if I make any because the thing is, I'm stressed. But I did a little video today, and it's about me and my gears because all the gigs are canceled. I just open my gears, check them out, try them on, like not try them on, but try shooting with them and caressing them and acting like I'm shooting or anything, and then I put it back in the bag, and then I hide the bag. So that's what's been happening in the past few days. I can't speak well. But anyway, I didn't do any vlog for today, so I think I'll just link that video that I made earlier down in the description. And other than that, yeah, no vlog for today. You guys take care. Oh, yeah, one more thing, just for my diary thing. Tomorrow we're easing up. We're having 500 cases today, but tomorrow we're gonna be easing up. Like we can go 10 kilometers instead of 5 because we're hitting 70% first dose vaccination. Yeah. So again, no vlog for today. You guys take care. Bye.
I wanna go to Paris, but you hate to fly. You don't like to party, 'cause it's not your vibe.